everyone. Welcome to my first episode of Adobe Illustrator for graphic designers. First, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm Garima, a graphic designer. I did my studies from NIF Delhi. I've had the joy of working across the creative industry, and now I'm working as an educator. Teaching and training students is something I absolutely love. It keeps me inspired, energized, and always learning. Today, let's dive into the essential parts of Adobe Illustrator. Getting comfortable with Illustrator interface, whether you're sketching croquis, you're drawing flats, or developing prints. Mastering the software is going to be a game changer for your design journey. All right, let's get started. When you first open Adobe Illustrator, this is the first thing that you'll see, that is the home screen. From here, you can open any recent file, you can start a new document or explore the template. Let's start with the new file. A window pops up. You can go into prints here and the safest is A4. And then the unit of measurement here is mentioned points. You can always change it to inches or centimeters, but I'll just prefer keeping it to points. We have the orientation, we can keep it to portrait or landscape. Then we can increase the number of artboards. This will depend on your presentation. Let's keep it to one artboard right now. In the advanced option, we have the color mode as CMYK, and we keep the raster effect as 300 pixels per inch, which is the highest. We create a file. Now let's study the interface. Here in the center is the artboard, and the gray area on the side is basically a rough area where you can keep extra motifs. On the top section, we have the menu bar where we have file, edit, object, type, select, effect, view, window. Below this, we have the control panel. On the left side section, we have the toolbar, and on the right hand section, we have the properties panel. We have some extra tools which we dock on the right hand side. How do we move around the canvas? Now, let's just focus on that. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to teach you how to do zoom in and zoom out. So here we click on Control or Command plus. Plus is the key that is there on your keyboard, and then you do Control minus, that is zooming out. You can also pan it by clicking on the space bar. You have the key over here, the zoom tool is here, the key is of the panning is here. So you just need to pan it. And let's say if you pan too much and you want the artboard to be in the center, you use the short key Control 0. Let's save your file. Before that, let me just create a few shapes. And what I'll do is I'll just save as. And here is what we have. So you can save it in the AI format, which is the editable file. You can also save it in PDF or SVG. SVG is scalable vector graphics. So let's just save this as boxes and save and click OK. That's it for today's episode. You've just taken your first step into Illustrator. In your next video, we'll learn some basic tools for you to get comfortable to move around the interface using simple shapes. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment. I'm here to help. Until next time, keep sketching and stay creative.